What organ do humans use to breathe? Heart, liver, lungs, kidneys. The correct answer is lungs. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Ag, Au, Pb, Go. The correct answer is Au. Which planet is famous for its rings? Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, Neptune. The correct answer is Saturn. What is the main gas found in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, helium. The correct answer is nitrogen. Which natural satellite orbits Earth? The Moon, the Sun, Mars, Venus. The correct answer is the Moon. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Mars, Mercury, Earth. The correct answer is Mercury. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Steel, quartz, sapphire, diamond. The correct answer is diamond. What do bees collect from flowers to make honey? Leaves, seeds, nectar, bark. The correct answer is nectar. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, cytoplasm. The correct answer is mitochondria. Which ocean is the largest? Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. What is the SI unit of force? Watt, Newton, Joule, Pascal. The correct answer is Newton. What organ removes waste from the blood? Liver, stomach, kidneys, lungs. The correct answer is kidneys. Which part of the ear helps maintain balance? Cochlea, eardrum, semicircular canals, ossicles. The correct answer is semicircular canals. Which type of electromagnetic radiation has the longest wavelength? Radio waves, X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet rays. The correct answer is radio waves. What causes the tides on Earth? Moon's gravity, Earth's rotation, wind, sunlight. The correct answer is Moon's gravity. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? A+, B-, O-, AB+. The correct answer is O-. Who developed the theory of relativity? Isaac Newton, Nikola Tesla, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei. The correct answer is Albert Einstein. What part of the brain controls balance? Cerebrum, brainstem, cerebellum, hypothalamus. The correct answer is cerebellum. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Sodium, lead, aluminum, mercury. The correct answer is mercury. What is the main component of the sun? Oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen. The correct answer is hydrogen. Which type of blood cells carry oxygen? White blood cells, platelets, plasma, red blood cells. The correct answer is red blood cells. What is the heaviest naturally occurring element? Lead, potassium, uranium, plutonium. The correct answer is uranium. Which scientist created the periodic table? John Dalton,
Antoine Lavoisier,
Dmitri Mendeleev, Marie Curie. The correct answer is Dmitri Mendeleev. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Spiral, irregular, elliptical, lenticular. The correct answer is spiral. Which gas is essential for photosynthesis? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. What is the only metal that is liquid just above room temperature? Potassium, mercury, gallium, cesium. The correct answer is gallium. What is the term for animals that maintain a constant body temperature? Ectothermic, poikilothermic, endothermic, isothermal. The correct answer is endothermic. Which law states that the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume? Charles S. Law, Avogadro's law, Boyle's law, Dalton's law. The correct answer is Boyle's law. What is the rarest naturally occurring element on Earth? Francium, rhodium, technetium, astatine. The correct answer is astatine. Which vitamin is also known as cobalamin? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin B12. The correct answer is vitamin B12. In physics, what does E stand for in Einstein's equation E equals mc squared? Eon, electrons, entropy, energy. The correct answer is energy. Which element has the highest melting point? Iron, platinum, tungsten, titanium. The correct answer is tungsten. What is the term for the study of earthquakes? Geology, volcanology, seismology, paleontology. The correct answer is seismology. Which gas causes the greenhouse effect the most? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, nitrogen. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. What is the main component of natural gas? Methane, butane, propane, ethane. The correct answer is methane.